Hello, little yogis. I'm so glad you made it today. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss our new yoga fun. Today's session will help you feel strong, brave, and happy. Roll out your mat. Take a big deep breath. Let's get started. Sit down and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open gently to the sides like butterfly wings. Hold your feet with your hands and sit up tall. Flap your knees up and down slowly like a butterfly flying. Feel the gentle stretch on the inside of your legs. Feel the gentle stretch on the inside of your legs. Slowly, lift your legs up straight toward the sky. Support your lower back with both hands. Keep your legs together and point your toes up high. Breathe slowly and stay as still as a candle flame. Stand tall on one foot like a strong tree. Place your other foot on your ankle, calf, or inner thigh. Bring your hands together at your heart. Find a spot to look at to help you balance. Breathe slowly and grow, tall from your roots to the sky. Sit down and stretch one leg out to the side. Bend your other knee and bring your foot to your inner thigh. Reach your arm up and lean gently over your straight leg. Feel the long stretch along the side of your body. Breathe deeply and let your body open like a rainbow. Start on your knees and slowly slide one foot forward and one foot back. Keep your hips square and facing forward. Place your hands on the floor on either side of you for support. Go only as far as feels comfortable in your body. Breathe deeply and feel the beautiful stretch in your legs. Lie on your back and bend your knees with your feet flat on the floor. Press your feet down and slowly lift your hips up toward the sky. Keep your arms flat on the floor beside your body. Squeeze your legs together and hold the position steady. Breathe deeply and feel your chest open wide. Start on your hands and knees on the floor. Press your hands firmly into the mat and lift your hips up high. Straighten your legs and try to press your heels toward the ground. Let your head hang freely between your arms. Breathe slowly and feel your whole body stretch long. Stand tall with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Reach both arms up high above your head. Lean gently to one side and feel the stretch along your body. Come back to the center and lean to the other side. Breathe deeply and feel tall and strong like a mountain. Sit down and open both legs wide apart on the floor. Flex your feet and press the back of your legs into the ground. Slowly walk your hands forward and fold your body down. Keep your back long and your chest reaching forward. Breathe deeply and feel your inner legs stretch open wide. Start on your hands and knees and step both feet back. Keep your body in one straight line from head to heels. Press your hands firmly into the floor and squeeze your belly tight. Look down at the mat and keep your neck long. Breathe steadily and feel strong and powerful in your whole body. Stand tall and shift your weight onto one foot. Lift your other foot and press it against your inner calf or thigh. Reach both arms up high above your head like tall branches. Find a spot to look at to help you stay balanced. Breathe slowly and feel yourself growing tall and steady like a tree. Stand tall with your feet together or hip-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your hips down like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Reach both arms up high above your head. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight. Breathe deeply and feel strong and powerful in your legs. Kneel down gently and sit back on your heels. Wrap your arms behind your back and interlace your fingers. Tilt your head back slowly and open your chest to the sky. Press your hips down and feel your spine lengthen. Breathe deeply and feel calm and graceful like an eagle. Sit down on your mat and cross your legs comfortably. Rest the back of your hands gently on your knees with your fingers soft. Sit up tall and lengthen your spine toward the sky. Relax your shoulders down and soften your face. Close your eyes and breathe slowly and peacefully. Lie on your back and place your arms flat beside your body. Slowly lift your legs up and over your head toward the floor behind you. Hold your legs with your hands to help you stay steady. Keep your neck soft and relaxed on the mat. Breathe gently and feel a deep stretch along your whole back. Kneel down and sit back between your heels on the mat. Bring your hands together at your heart in prayer position. Sit up tall and lengthen your spine toward the sky. Relax your shoulders and keep your chest open and wide. Breathe slowly and feel calm, grounded, and strong like a hero. Start on your hands and feet with your hips up high. Lift one leg straight up toward the sky behind you. Press both hands firmly into the floor to stay steady. Keep your head relaxed and let it hang gently down. Breathe slowly and feel strong and balanced, like an airplane flying high. Sit down and cross your legs comfortably in front of you. Bring your hands together at your heart in prayer position. Sit up tall and feel your spine grow long and straight. Relax your shoulders down and soften your face. Breathe slowly and feel peaceful and comfortable in your body. Sit on the floor and extend your legs out to one side comfortably. Place one hand behind your head and let your elbow open wide. Sit up tall and keep your chest open and lifted. Relax your shoulders down and breathe smoothly. Feel long and graceful through your whole body. Sit down and stretch both legs out straight in front of you. Reach your hands forward and hold onto your feet or ankles. Fold your upper body gently forward over your legs. Let your head relax down and keep your back as long as you can. Breathe slowly and feel the deep stretch along the back of your legs. Kneel down and sit back gently on your heels. Reach both arms back behind you and place your hands on the floor. Lift your chest up high and tilt your head back slowly. Press your hips forward and feel your whole front body open wide. Breathe deeply and feel a beautiful stretch through your chest and belly. Start on your hands and knees and lower your chest down toward the floor. Place your forearms flat on the mats in front of you. Let your head relax gently down between your arms. Keep your hips up and your knees hip-width apart. Breathe slowly and feel your whole back soften and release.